Hey guys, it's Miriam. Today I'm going to be showing you some fun DIYs you can make to spice up your room. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute wall hanging. It's perfect to go anywhere in your room to add some color or show off your DIY style. It also makes a great gift. You can use as many different colors, styles, or weights of yarn that you choose. But the yarn that I chose was Vanna's Choice in Raspberry and Rose Mist and Woolly Stick and Quick in Celebration. My room is pink, so I decided to go with this color scheme so that it would match perfectly. And then you're going to be putting this yarn on a wooden dowel, which you can find at any craft store. These wooden dowels come in different lengths and sizes, so before you go and get one, just think about how large you want your wall hanging to be, and then based off of that, you can choose what size you want. I went ahead and pre-cut some pieces of my yarn. You're going to want to cut them to double the length that you want your wall hanging to be, because eventually you're going to need to fold it. So you're going to want to fold your yarn in half, and then take the loop at the top and just place it on top of the dowel. Then to tie it on, you're going to want to put your fingers through the loop and grab the yarn and pull it through. Then you can readjust it to place it on the dowel wherever you want. For my next bunch of yarn, since I'm using a thicker yarn, I'm going to only use 2 strings at a time. And again, I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to place the loop on top, and then grab the yarn through the loop and pull it through. Then I'm just going to move it to be next to the other bunch that I did. So keep on doing this with the rest of your yarn, and you can do any pattern that you'd like. If you decide that you want to add in another bunch of yarn anywhere in the middle, you can just smooth them over and add something in. Once you're done tying all of your yarn onto the dowel, you're just going to want to trim the edges. You can do it in a V shape or on a diagonal, but it's really up to you. You're also going to want to tie a piece of yarn to the edges on each side of the dowel so you can hang it. Because I didn't have a hook in my house, I just decided to hang it up with a piece of tape. This is a perfect DIY because it's super quick and easy, and it doesn't involve any knitting or crocheting, so even if you don't know how, you can still make this cute DIY. It's perfect for both adults and kids, and it's a great way to use up leftover scraps of yarn that you might have from other projects. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what color you're going to make your wall hanging, and don't forget to subscribe to Lime Brand YouTube channel for more videos like this. Also, please check out my other Made by Miriam's. I have a ton of fun DIYs that you can do with yarn. Click here to get yarn for this project. I hope this inspired you to make your own wall hanging and some cute DIY decor for your room with yarn. See you next time!